This creamy and hearty mushroom Monterey Jack Farotto uses farro in place of rice for a new take on a classic risotto. We'll get started by preparing the mushroom Monterey Jack cheese sauce. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the mushrooms with olive oil, salt, and pepper and roast them in the oven until they're nicely browned. Set aside a quarter of the mushrooms for the cheese sauce, another quarter for the garnish, and the remaining half for the farotto. Place a quarter of the mushrooms into a food processor and add 8 ounces of warm Land O'Lakes Extra Melt Monterey Jack cheese sauce, which is a very versatile cheese sauce with a well-balanced flavor. Blend this to a smooth consistency and set this aside. Now we'll prepare our farotto. Bring a small pot of stock to a simmer and keep warm. Heat olive oil in a large skillet and sauté onions for 5 minutes until translucent. Add garlic, thyme, and a bay leaf and cook until aromatic. Add the farro and cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. Add 1 cup of the warm stock and cook for about 2 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed, stirring frequently. Add 2 more cups of stock and cook for about 4 minutes until the liquid is nearly absorbed, stirring constantly. Continue to add the remaining stock and cook until the farro is tender. Remove the pot from the heat. Stir in chard and the mushroom Monterey Jack cheese sauce. Stir in the chives, parsley, reserved mushrooms, and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Serve immediately, garnished with the remaining roasted mushrooms and more chives. Your guests will love the creamy Land O'Lakes Monterey Jack cheese sauce combined with umami-packed roasted mushrooms and chewy, nutty farro. Enjoy!